and welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, I need to tell you that when we hit 100 subscribers, there will be a huge surprise. I know in my last video I said when we reach 1,000 subscribers, there'll be a huge surprise, but I've changed it to 100. There will be a huge surprise when we reach 1,000, but first 100 and then 1,000. Because we kind of need to first get to 100 and then we can go there. Okay, sorry about that my room is a mess, but for today's video, we have a whole makeup kit, brushes, new mascara, my old makeup, and we are going to do a full face look, nail polish, all the beauty things. Because I got a makeup kit, brushes, mascara, as I just said like a minute ago, and all these things are brand new. So let's get started with these brand new things that I just got today. So with the brushes, it comes with this little card to show what every of these 20 brushes are for. So it shows at the bottom what these brushes are for. And I am very surprised, but I did not need that list. I knew what all these brushes were, so that is very surprising because, yeah, but I guess I'm a good makeup artist after all. Okay, so firstly, we have got this highlighter brush, which all these brushes start in like a metal kind of thing, go to a purple, then the actual brush is like creamy color, then brown, and then like this purple color. So this is a highlighter brush. Then like all the big brushes are kind of for like foundation, bronzer, and like blush. So this brush is a little weird. It's got a little straight tip and then it goes all the way, like it's got a straight line and then it goes to a tip. This is a multi-function brush, which means you can use this for like whatever you really think you need it for. This is for like eyeshadow if you want. The rest are just like eyeshadow brushes. Oh, I dropped something. Okay, so the rest are like some eyeshadow brushes, and I think these brushes are super, super, super cool. So now let's get on with the makeup kit. I am so excited for this makeup kit, so let's get started with it. So I'm going to leave these brushes right over here because I am probably going to need them once I show you my makeup kit. So here's the makeup kit. It's got a bunch of Disney princesses on the front. It's got Aurora, Snow White, Cinderella, Rapunzel, Jasmine, Mulan, and Ariel. And then it's got glitter, pink glitter, and then on the back it says, "Be bright, be bold," and then it has a little lock. So let's open up the lock to find out what is inside, like this treasure chest. So on the front, it's got a little heart mirror. It says, "Be bright, be bold," and I'm telling you guys, this is brand new. Okay, so then here we've got like a whole different compartment, and then you open it up, and it's got a whole second compartment. I am so excited for this. So let's do a review. Sorry about the bad camera. And, okay, hopefully that fixed it. Okay, so the first pack is this lip gloss. Let me just show you. It says lip gloss right over there. So this is a lip gloss part, and then you just like take off the plastic. And here it shows a bunch of these awesome lip glosses. So I assume that it's a lip gloss, so it's not going to come out because it's a lip gloss. So it's going to be like give a little shimmer to your lips. It's not going to give like the actual color. So I'm going to choose this red color so we can see that nice color. And I'm actually going to put the little thing. Oh, I thought so. This is Snow White. It's got a little apple on it. So that one's Snow White story. It's red. Okay, so let's open it up and put some on my lips. So I assume it's just going to be like a little shimmer because it's a gloss. So here's my finger. As you can see, it's got like a bit of red on it. So maybe it will give like a little bit of color. As I thought, it gives like a little bit of a hint of red, but it's not like actual, like it's not like for the color, it's more for like moisturizing, and it gives a little bit of red, as you can see. You see, it does give a little bit of red. So that is that. That is that. Okay, the next one is this. Ooh, okay, I need to get. So the next pack is this shimmer cream, which is for your eyes and for your cheeks. So I'm going to get my brushes right here. Sorry about the bad camera angle right now. Okay, so here are the brushes once again. So I'm going to start off testing out the eyeshadow. So I'm going to be using this brush and I'm going to use it on my eyes and then we're going to go in with the cheeks. So I assume that this is for, like, it gives like a creamy, like the lips. It gives a bit of color, but mostly cream. So I'm going to use this blue color right here. It's quite pretty. I like it. I'm good. Oh yeah, it does give a little bit of color, as you can see. Yeah, I feel like this would just give like a little bit of like a gloss and a little bit of color. I'm going to put a lot because I really want this to come out, you know. Yeah, as I thought, oh my gosh, yeah, it gives a little bit of blue there. Yeah, that's quite pretty. It gives a little bit of blue. Let's do the same over here. It gives a little bit of blue. Yeah, guys, it actually does give a little bit of blue. So that's great. Yeah, it gives a little bit of blue. And now we're going to check it out on my cheeks. So we're going to be... I dropped something else. Okay, so the hearts are a little small for using it for my cheeks. I'm going to take some pink. Oh my gosh, I feel like it's going to come out. Look, that's pretty. Yeah, you can see it. I don't really see like much of a difference. But you can see it. Yeah, it's good. You can see this. Okay, that's great. You can see that so well. Oh my gosh, I love that. Okay, let's put it away now. And let's get to the mascara. So I got some brand new mascara as well. I keep saying brand new, but I did. It's new. Okay. So I have this mascara, which is very good. I tested it out. That's why my lashes are usually long, but this is now they're like especially long. So let's see what happens if I add more. So I tested it out because this video took a few tries. So yeah. And the reason why it took a few tries is because there was a little bit of background noise. My family were talking. So yeah, that's a little bit annoying, but it's fine. So I'm going to do my mascara. Wow. My eyelashes are so long. I feel like that's too long. That's very long. Okay, so I have that. And then, so I don't know. Okay, so then I'm going to open up the layer. And then you've got a whole next layer, which is so cool. Look at this. You got a whole second layer. Wait, let me just push this down. Okay, wait. Something just dropped. So difficult. Okay, so here we have everything here. Something just dropped. I'm going to put it back. Okay, here's everything. These are little rings. It even comes with jewelry. It's so cute. Okay, so here are the two little rings. It comes with this Rapunzel ring, which fits me very well. And then it comes with this Ariel ring. Rapunzel is actually my favorite princess. Then it comes with this pink crown. So it comes with this pink crown to put on your hands so that when you do your nail polish, because it comes with nail polish, your hands are separated. So let me show you the nail polish it came with. So it's good that it comes with a crown because now it's like easier to do your nails. Okay, so let's put this crown back. Okay. So here is the nail polish. It comes with this Ariel pink sparkly color and this orange bell sparkly color. So I'm going to try it one time on one of my fingers so we can just like give it a little check. See if it works. So I'm assuming that this is going to need a few layers. I'm assuming it's going to need a few layers, but I think it's okay. And I am not doing it properly because I think I'm going to go over time soon. I'm not going to do it like properly. So maybe there'll be like a video where you're probably going to see me wearing this a lot because it comes out like really good on the first layer. And as I said, I did do it properly. So here's the thumb. I didn't do it properly. And here's the orange. So yeah, these are actually really good nail polishes. I like these a lot. You're probably going to see me wearing these a lot. And yeah, okay. So it comes with the Ariel and the not Ariel Bell ones, which are really, really cute. Okay. So then this little brush here, over here, this is for applying your lipstick. So if you want to use it from the pot and you want to use a brush, this is that for that. And then here's an eyeshadow brush. Over here, we've got two really cute hair clips. I really love these hair clips. This is a Jasmine hair clip and a Rapunzel hair clip. So it's got like these little clips. You might see me wearing these. They're very nice. Okay, so next, we have got something so awesome. Oh my gosh, it's so awesome. Okay. I'm going to show you right now. You see that glitter? See that? It's for your cheeks. You can put it on top of your nail polish and your cheeks to give your cheeks a complete glitter. So let's take this brush. Got a little glitter there. Oh my gosh, that is so glittery. You can't, oh my gosh, that is so pretty. I love it. So this is actually safe to use on your cheeks, and it's kind of meant for that, but you can also use it on your nail polish. So that was an Aurora one. Let me just show you. That was Aurora. And the next one is a lip balm. This is a lip balm. It shows a little lip balm here. And this one is Ariel. So I'm assuming this is a gloss as well. So I'm going to put some on my finger. You can see some gloss, yeah. Yeah, that's really good. It is very moisturizing. It also gives a little color to your lips. And yeah, I can see that it's going a bit over, but my lips. But it's okay. Okay, so next we have a Belle lip balm and a Ariel lip balm. So this one's kind of like white. Let's put it on. Yeah, all of these work. They're just like more for like moisturizing, that stuff. All of these definitely work. So this one's like a peachish color, which is really pretty. Yeah, all of these are really good. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and turn on post notification bells so you never miss any of my videos. Alright, bye guys!